Okay, that's my car PC. Okay, that beauty is powered by Pentium 3 600 MHz. As you can see from here, system info. Alright, so you got 510 megabytes RAM and 120 gigabyte of space, and it'll also tell you the CPU temperature and usage of the CPU. I can shut down, I can lock the screen, I can import a CD and all this stuff. I can use the web, but I do not have the 3G card connected to it. There's also, I can connect to a cam, a video cam, which can be connected in the boot, and you can, when you're reversing it, you can see in the back. And it also got a mixer. You can change the quality of the sound, and you got calculator. You got calendar. You can check your email in there. You can actually watch TV in it, and also you can sync up your file, and you can check weather. You need to reconfigure if you have internet connection. A radio, a phone. So if you connect your phone, you have a big interface there where you can dial the number, but actually I haven't configured it because I don't use the phone in the car. A DVD, if you click on that, and if you have a DVD in your DVD-ROM, you can watch DVDs on it. Navigation, that's really cool one. So the yellow dot you can see here, that's me. If I start to move, you can see me. Actually, it will start moving as well. You can input the data, input the address, and it leads you there. And also you can select the path on the map, and it will lead you there. Okay, and there are a few options there. You can put to a night scan, and also there are a few other options as well. Then multimedia.
In this world, ups and downs.
You can also watch the videos.